Hello students, welcome to Science Solution. Today our video is regarding the transportation in plants. So earlier we have studied about the transportation in animals and humans. 3 videos I have given back to back for your information. So hope you all have seen them. If you haven't seen, I will give the link in description box and please go through them so that you can have the proper information about that. If we talk about the transportation in plants, now transportation in plants is also very necessary for the proper growth and development of the plant. The main two components which are transported in plants, one is water and minerals and second is the food. Now how it takes place? In 9th standard we have studied that the food is transported through the phloem whereas the water transportation occurs through the xylem. Now we will discuss how it occurs actually. Here I have shown one diagram of the tree and from the leaves the water evaporates and this process is called transpiration. Due to the transpiration of water from the leaves, transpiration pull is there and due to that transpiration pull what happens? The water from branches moves to the leaves. Next what? These branches, they are having scarcity of water and that's why the turgor pressure, or we call this osmotic pressure, it is applied on the stem and due to which the water from stem it flows to the branches. Further, the stem is having scarcity and so it withdraws the water from roots due to the same osmotic pressure. When the roots are deficient of water, there is scarcity of water, then we know that at the ends of roots there are the root here and the root here, the water from soil will diffuse through the root here to the roots. Now what is diffusion? It is the movement of particles from higher concentration to the lower concentration. So here the concentration of water is more and inside the root here the concentration is less. That's why the water will move from outside to inward. So here transpiration pull is there, then osmotic pressure in the middle portion we can say, and due to the diffusion the movement occurs through the roots. But no doubt this all movement occurs through the components of the xylem. If we talk about the movement is only in upward direction. This means from ground to the upper parts and this is what we call unidirectional. It is taking place in one direction. But if we talk about the transportation of food, first of all, you must know there is a term called translocation. This is the specific term which will be used for transportation of food in plants and the question is usually asked for 1 mark that define translocation or what do we call the transportation of food. So you must know that translocation is the transportation of food in the plant. Secondly, it is bidirectional. What does it mean? That if the leaf has prepared the food over here, then from the leaf the starch will be transported upward as well as it will go downward. Okay, in both the directions it can move and that's why the transportation of food is bidirectional. No doubt it also occurs through phloem. Now which part is the phloem? If you have a stem, then its outer portion is green. Green branch, you take one branch and just peel its green portion a little bit by cutting through with the help of knife. What you will find, this is the green portion which is called the phloem and beneath this green portion there is a creamish white hard woody structure which we call the xylem, and that xylem helps in transportation of water and outer surface that helps in the transportation of food. Sometimes if we put a cut over there, suppose this was a stem, okay, and here I put a cut, I cut only the green portion of it, I remove the green portion from some place. Now what will happen? The water is moving because this part is xylem. So water will be moving through the xylem, but what about food? Up to here the food is moving, up to here the food is moving, but no movement takes place here. Similarly on the other side, and after a few days what we will find? We will find it will swell from here and from here because of the storage of starch here. You all know that the food is stored as starch in the plant. So what does it show? That the transportation of food occurs through the phloem, and which is the phloem? It is the outer part. So hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you like this video, please do subscribe so that you can have the latest updates of my channel. Thank you so much.